everyone, I'm Anisha from Class 5 Amana. Today, I'm going to present about my PBL project. The topic of my project is coin bank. And this is the content of my project. First of all, I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to my chemistry teacher, Puan Hayati, for her able guidance and support in completing my project. I would also like to extend my gratitude to my parents for providing me a comfortable study environment to focus on what I need to do. The objective of this project is to produce a new product using recyclable polymer, reduce non-biodegradable materials at the landfills, and spread awareness to the public about food pollution. Problem statement. Some polymers are durable and take very long time to disintegrate that cause serious pollution on our environment. Marine pollution causes many creatures to die and microplastics to enter the food chain. What can we do to overcome the pollution problems? What is polymer? A polymer is a long-chain molecule that is made from a combination of many repeating basic units. The basic unit of a polymer is known as monomer. The monomer combination reaction to produce a polymer is called polymerization reaction. Just an example for the source of polymer and its monomer. Type of polymers. There are three types of polymer which are thermoplastic polymers, thermosetting polymers, and elastomer polymers. Thermoplastic polymers can be repeatedly removed upon heating, can be recycled, and will melt when heated and solidify when they are cooled. Examples for this polymer is polyethylene, PVC, and nylon. Thermosetting polymers cannot be removed after heating, cannot be recycled, and normally disintegrate or burn upon heating. Examples for this polymer is melamine and bakelite. Elastomer polymers can be stretched and can be returned to their original shape while released. It also possesses high elasticity properties. Examples for this polymer are polyurethane and SBR. There are two types of polymerization reaction, which are addition polymerization and condensation polymerization. Addition polymerization occurs when monomers that have double covalent bonds between two carbon atoms react with one another. Condensation polymerization involves at least two different monomers. The monomers involved consist of two functional groups that will take part in the polymerization reaction. The product of condensation polymerization is a polymer and another product such as water or HCl molecule. This is one of the examples of addition polymerization reaction to produce polyethylene. During the reaction, the double bond is opened and monomers are added to the molecule chain to produce a polymer. And here are some examples of condensation polymerization reaction to produce nylon and terylene. This is the learning progress of my project. I'm now starting with explanation of my project. Here are the list of apparatus and materials that I have used in this project. For the expenses, it only costs 2 ringgit on the color paper and 2 ringgit on the wool yarn. It's free for the plastic bottle because we reuse it as recycled item. It costs only total of 4 ringgit. Safety precautions. Always be careful while using sharp tools such as cutter. Here comes the procedure. First, point the plastic bottle as shown in the diagram. Secondly, cut the plastic bottle into a few parts using cutter. For information, only the top and the bottom part are used. Third, mark a hole at the bottom part of the bottle as a place to insert coins. Fourth, cut the hole using cutter. Then, stick the two parts together using cellophane tape. Lastly, decorate the coin bank with color paper and wool yarn. For this project, I'm decorating the coin bank to a cow figure. The diagram is showing the final product of this project and the product in use. Product impact and science concept. This product would promote recycling activity and can save money. It could also save depleting landfill space. The expanding human population implies that habitable land is getting increasingly more precious with every passing day. Appropriate waste management through recycling and pruning of plastics may save substantial quantity of waste space. Reduce greenhouse gases. The procedure for plastic production causes creation of greenhouse gas. Also, a huge quantity of plastic bottles is fabricated from the plants nowadays. Consequently, the number of these greenhouse gas gets large. By recycling plastics, creation of plastics can be lessened. This will gradually lead to lower generation of the harmful greenhouse gas. It also saves energy. From their plastic bottle manufacturing plants, big power intake happens in regards to creating or producing a large quantity of bottles. On the contrast, recycling of these plastic bottles will reduce energy intake significantly. With reduced energy consumption, the environment remains greener. Conclusion: we must always practice 5R in our daily life to reduce garbage produce, avoid too much of non-biodegradable items in the landfills, improve the environment, conserve and preserve the marine life. And here are the reference. Thank you so much.